In this video, I will show you how you can sync the calendar of your iPhone to your iPad. But before we start, just make sure that you're signed into with the same Apple ID on both devices. Now to start, first of all, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID under Settings. From here, just scroll down and tap on iCloud, then tap on See All. Now just scroll down and look for the Calendar app. After you find the Calendar app, now just tap on it, and from here just enable the toggle for use on this iPhone. Now just select Merge, and after you do that, you will sync the calendar of your iPhone to your iCloud. Now after you've done that, the next step is on your iPad, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID under Settings, tap on iCloud, and select See All. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on iCloud Calendar, and from here, just make sure you enable Use on this iPad. Now just select Merge, and after you do that, you will merge the data of the Calendar app which are saved on your iCloud to your iPad. And by doing that, you will sync the calendar of your iPhone to your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.